Picture this. You're browsing online, and you stumble upon an offer for a shiny new credit card. The rewards seem unbeatable, the perks are tempting, and you're already dreaming of all the ways you'll use it. But hold on a second. Before you hit that Apply Now button, there are some crucial red flags you need to watch out for. Join us today as we uncover the top 5 warning signs to look for when applying for a new credit card. Trust me, you'll want to know these before you commit. Welcome back to Money Skill School, where we're all about empowering you with financial knowledge. Today, we're diving into the world of credit cards, where the promise of convenience and rewards can sometimes be overshadowed by hidden dangers. Applying for a credit card can indeed be exciting, but it's crucial to tread carefully. In this video, we'll be your guide, highlighting 5 red flags that should raise alarms when you're considering a new credit card. By the end of this, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Let's get started. Red flag number 1. High annual fees. Annual fees are charges imposed by credit card issuers for the privilege of holding their credit card for a year. These fees can range from $50 to several $100s or more, depending on the card's perks and benefits. While not all credit cards have annual fees, those that do often justify them by offering rewards programs, travel perks, or premium services. High annual fees can significantly impact your finances, especially if you're not taking full advantage of the card's benefits. Before applying for a credit card with a high annual fee, it's essential to assess whether the benefits outweigh the costs. For example, if a card offers travel rewards or cashback that align with your spending habits, the annual fee might be justified. However, if you're not likely to use the card's perks, you could end up paying more in fees than you receive in benefits. Some credit cards with high annual fees include the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which has an annual fee of $550, and the American Express Platinum Card, which has an annual fee of $695. These cards offer premium travel benefits and rewards programs but may not be suitable for everyone due to their high fees. On the other hand, there are plenty of credit cards available with no annual fees, such as the Chase Freedom Unlimited or the Discover It Cashback. These cards offer competitive rewards programs without the burden of an annual fee, making them more accessible for everyday use. When considering a credit card with an annual fee, it's crucial to weigh the costs and benefits carefully. Make sure the perks align with your lifestyle and spending habits to ensure you're getting the most value out of the card. Red flag number 2. High interest rates. When considering a credit card, one of the most crucial factors to watch out for is the annual percentage rate, APR, which represents the cost of borrowing on the card. APR is expressed as a percentage and includes not just the interest rate but also any additional fees charged by the card issuer. Understanding the APR is essential because it directly impacts the amount of interest you'll pay on any balances carried over from month to month. High interest rates can lead to increased debt and financial stress because they result in higher interest charges on outstanding balances. If you carry a balance on a credit card with a high APR, even a small debt can quickly snowball into a much larger amount over time. This can make it challenging to pay off your balance and may lead to a cycle of debt that's hard to break. To find credit cards with lower interest rates, it's essential to shop around and compare offers from different issuers. Look for cards that offer introductory APRs or promotional rates on balance transfers. Additionally, consider looking for cards with rewards programs or other benefits that can help offset the cost of any potential interest charges. If you're already dealing with high interest debt, there are several strategies you can use to manage it. One option is to transfer your balances to a credit card with a lower APR or promotional interest rate. Another option is to prioritize paying off your highest interest debt first while making minimum payments on your other debts. Additionally, consider reaching out to your creditors to see if they're willing to negotiate a lower interest rate or payment plan. By being mindful of the APR and taking proactive steps to manage high interest debt, you can avoid falling into the trap of excessive interest charges and work towards financial stability. Red flag number 3. Hidden fees and charges. Credit cards can come with a variety of fees and charges that may not be immediately apparent when you first apply. These hidden fees can add up quickly and significantly impact your overall credit card costs. Some common hidden fees and charges to watch out for include late payment fees, charged when you fail to make at least the minimum payment by the due date. Balance transfer fees, charged when you transfer a balance from one credit card to another. Foreign transaction fees, charged when you make purchases in a foreign currency or from a foreign merchant. Cash advance fees, charged when you use your credit card to withdraw cash from an ATM. Annual fees, discussed previously as a red flag, but worth noting as some cards may have them hidden in the fine print. It's essential to read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions of any credit card before applying. By doing so, you can avoid surprises and make sure you're aware of all potential fees and charges. Additionally, understanding the terms and conditions can help you make an informed decision about whether a particular credit card is right for you. To compare credit card fees and charges, there are several resources you can use. Many credit card comparison websites allow you to compare fees, interest rates, rewards programs, and other features of different credit cards side by side. Additionally, you can visit the websites of credit card issuers directly to view detailed information about their fees and charges. By comparing these fees and charges, you can choose a credit card that best fits your needs and budget. Did you know about all the warning signs we've discussed up to this point? If you're finding this advice useful for choosing a new credit card, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for our upcoming videos. Be sure to catch the next 2 red flags because once you have a new card, you can't avoid these 2. Red flag number 4. Limited rewards or benefits. When choosing a credit card, one of the key factors many people consider is the rewards and benefits it offers. These perks can range from cashback on purchases to travel rewards, airline miles, hotel discounts, and more. Rewards and benefits can provide significant value and can make a credit card worth having. But it's essential to watch out for red flags indicating limited rewards or benefits. Rewards and benefits are essential because they can help you maximize the value of your spending. Whether you're earning cashback on everyday purchases or accumulating points for travel rewards, these perks can add up over time and provide significant savings or opportunities for experiences you might not otherwise afford. However, some credit cards may offer limited rewards or benefits that may not align with your spending habits or lifestyle. For example, a credit card that offers bonus points on dining purchases may not be very useful if you rarely eat out. Similarly, a card that offers travel rewards may not be worthwhile if you don't travel frequently. To find credit cards with rewards and benefits that match your needs, consider your spending habits and lifestyle. Look for cards that offer rewards in categories where you spend the most, whether that's groceries, gas, dining, or travel. Additionally, consider the redemption options available with each card and whether they align with your preferences. For example, if you prefer cashback rewards, look for cards that offer flexible cashback options with no minimum redemption requirements. Many credit card comparison websites allow you to filter and compare cards based on their rewards and benefits. Take advantage of these resources to find credit cards that offer the most value for your specific situation. By choosing a card with rewards and benefits that match your needs, you can maximize the value of your spending and make the most of your credit card experience. Thank you for sticking with us this far, and congratulations on your commitment to improving your financial literacy. Red flag number 1 can be incredibly upsetting to deal with once you already have a card, so it's wise to review the financial institution online before making a choice. Red flag number 5. Poor customer service. Good customer service is crucial when dealing with credit card issues because it can make the difference between a smooth, stress-free experience and a frustrating, time-consuming ordeal. When you have questions about your account, need assistance with a transaction, or encounter a problem with your card, responsive and helpful customer service can provide the support you need to resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. On the other hand, poor customer service can lead to frustration and difficulties in resolving problems. If you're unable to get timely assistance or if customer service representatives are unhelpful or uninformed, you may find yourself facing long wait times, repeated phone calls, and unresolved issues. This can not only be frustrating but can also result in financial consequences, such as late fees or unauthorized charges, if the issue is not resolved promptly. To research credit card issuers' customer service reputation before applying, consider the following tips. Read reviews. Look for reviews from current and former customers to get a sense of the level of customer service provided by the credit card issuer. Pay attention to comments about responsiveness, helpfulness, and the ease of resolving issues. Check ratings. Check ratings from reputable sources, such as J.D. Power or Consumer Reports, which often evaluate customer satisfaction with credit card issuers. Look for issuers with high ratings for customer service. Contact the issuer. Consider contacting the credit card issuer's customer service department with a question or concern before applying. This can give you a first-hand experience of their responsiveness and helpfulness. Ask for recommendations. If you know someone who has a credit card from the issuer you're considering, ask them about their experience with customer service. Personal recommendations can be valuable in assessing the quality of customer service. By researching credit card issuers' customer service reputation before applying, you can help ensure that you choose a card from a provider that values customer satisfaction and is committed to providing excellent service. When exploring options for a new credit card, it's crucial to be cautious of these 5 red flags. Recognizing these potential concerns and carefully assessing credit card offers and terms can empower you to make informed decisions that are in line with your financial objectives and lifestyle. Remember to thoroughly review the specifics, compare various options, and select a card that offers the most benefits for your particular situation. That's all for now. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Stay financially savvy until our next video. Take care.